Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty tools to give you the inside scoop on what's worth your time and money. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for products that can make your manicure routine faster, easier, and more precise, then stick around. We're talking all about the Tweezerman Mini Neon Nail Rescue Kit, a compact, high-performance set designed to tackle those nail care essentials on the go. The Tweezerman Mini Neon Nail Rescue Kit is essentially a mini version of their professional-grade tools, providing everything you need to maintain beautifully manicured nails wherever you are. The kit includes a sharp, curved nail clipper, a precise mini cuticle nipper, a versatile mini cuticle pushy and nail cleaner, and a mini neon nail file to smooth and shape nails to perfection. Let's talk features. The nail clipper has sharp, curved blades, which are perfect for achieving a clean, controlled trim without any snags. The mini cuticle nipper is designed to give you pinpoint accuracy, making it easier to trim excess cuticles. The mini cuticle pushy is double-sided, allowing you to gently push back your cuticles and also clean underneath your nails. While the dual-sided nail file is great for both shaping and smoothing the nail edges, making sure your nails are perfectly polished. In terms of usage, this kit is perfect for those who want a compact but effective solution for nail care. I've used it in multiple settings, from my at-home mani sessions to travel emergencies when I couldn't make it to the salon. The mini nail clipper was sharp and precise, cutting through nails without any jagged edges. The cuticle nipper gave me total control and was gentle on my skin, avoiding any accidental nicks, which can sometimes be a problem with other nippers. The cuticle pushy worked wonders to push my cuticles back, and I love that it also serves as a cleaner for under my nails, which is often a tricky area to clean without damaging the nail bed. Now, no product is perfect, so let's talk about a couple of minor downsides. The mini cuticle nipper, while sharp, requires a bit of finesse to get the perfect trim, especially if you're a beginner. It's definitely a tool that takes some practice, but once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the precision. Also, the nail file is great for smoothing, but can wear down a bit quicker with frequent use, so I would suggest replacing it as recommended to maintain its effectiveness. As for value for money, I'd say this kit is priced well for the quality and the convenience it offers. Tweezerman is known for their professional-grade tools, and you're getting their quality in a smaller, more portable package. If you travel often or like to have a mini nail kit in your bag, this is a solid choice. Plus, the stainless steel materials used in the tools make them durable and long-lasting, so you're definitely getting your money's worth if you're looking for a reliable nail care kit that will stand the test of time. When it comes to alternatives, there are definitely other brands offering similar mini nail kits, but none quite match the precision and quality of Tweezerman, especially in this price range. Brands like Revlon and Sally Hansen do have budget options, but in terms of long-term durability and professional-grade results, Tweezerman is hard to beat. If you're looking for something more affordable, you might want to consider those alternatives. But if you want a tool that will last and perform consistently, I'd say stick with Tweezerman. The overall build quality of the tools is fantastic. The stainless steel construction is sturdy and feels premium, which is typical of Tweezerman's approach. And the fact that they've kept it compact and travel-friendly is a huge bonus. Plus, maintaining the tools is a breeze. Just clean them with a wipe after each use, and the nail file can easily be replaced as needed. I haven't personally needed to contact customer support, but Tweezerman is known for their excellent customer service, with a solid reputation for resolving issues quickly and efficiently should you ever need assistance. Now, if you're on the hunt for a multifunctional, portable nail kit that gives you salon-quality results, this is definitely a great option. For those who want precision, portability, and professional-level tools, this kit is a must-have. It's a little more expensive than other kits, but the quality is what you're paying for, and it's definitely worth the investment if you value durability and performance. Before I wrap up, if this review has helped you, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that other beauty lovers can find our honest reviews. It really helps us continue providing in-depth, unbiased content like this. And if you've tried the Tweezerman Mini Neon Nail Rescue Kit, I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What's been your experience? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.